Their codes, let's code and learn together. Today we are solving question 1496, path crossing in LeetCode. So essentially this question gives us 4 inputs, either north, south, east, or west, and each represents a movement on a coordinate. So north would go up 1, east would go to the right 1, south would go down 1, and then west would go to the left 1. And we can see that we want to return either false or true based on if the path crosses itself at any point. So we can see we can return false because this path never crosses itself. Example 2, we're going to return true because we can see it crosses itself at 0, 0. So let's go ahead and first initialize our hash map. So this is going to allow us to access the value that we need for each direction, for each input, north, south, east, and west. Then we need to initialize our set, and this is going to be called visited. So say visited equals set. And then we're going to initialize our x and y coordinate values. So we'll say 0, 0. Now we're going to iterate through each letter in path and determine what direction we're going and update the value of x and y. And then we're also going to check, hey, have we visited this location before? And if we have, then we're going to return true. And we're going to keep going. If we never come across a coordinate that we've already visited, we're just going to return false. So we'll say for I in path, we'll say, let's see here, second we're going to say direction x and direction y is equal to direction y is equal to direction I. So essentially this is saying, hey, direction x is equal to 0 and direction y is equal to 1 if we go north, and so on for south, east, and west. So then we're going to say x and y equal to x plus direction x, and then y plus direction y. And then we're going to say, actually, first we need to input our visited. So visited dot add x and y. And the reason that we're doing this first is because we first need to add this starting point, which we know is 0, 0. Let's put this in parentheses quick. There we go. And then we're going to see, hey, have we visited this coordinate? So we're going to say if x, y coordinates. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow. In visited, we're going to return true. And if we get through all of this and we have not visited one location that we've seen before, we're just going to return false. So go ahead and run that. That works for all of our test cases. Great. Let's go ahead and submit this, see if it works for all of the test cases. I'll go ahead and back out so you guys can see the full code. Perfect. And it is a little bit of a bad run. I think if we ran it a few times, it would change. But this is pretty much as optimal as you can get. We do have to go until we find either a point that intersects, or we have to go through the whole list. So that's this equation, and that's the solution to this equation, or to this problem, sorry. Let me know if you guys liked it. If you guys have a better solution, if I could have, optimized my solution, let me know. I do appreciate all the support we've been getting. We are, approaching 100 subscribers. So guys, please smash that subscribe button, like the video, and I will see you tomorrow as always. Bye bye.